In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WH Selfinvest in Tradingview. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get your broker connected so you can place trades directly from your Tradingview charts. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the main Tradingview website. You can do this by typing the Tradingview address into the address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account before you continue, because you'll need an active account in order to connect any broker. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, look for the option called Supercharts. This is Tradingview's advanced charting interface where you'll be doing most of your analysis and trading. Click on Supercharts and it will open up a full charting workspace with candles, tools, and different panels around the screen. After the Supercharts workspace has loaded, shift your attention to the bottom of the screen. You should see several tabs down there, and one of them will be called Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel. This is the section where Tradingview lists all of the supported brokers and trading services that you can connect to your account. When the Trading Panel opens, you'll see a selection of broker logos and names. If WH Selfinvest isn't immediately visible, don't worry. Look for a link or button that says Show All Brokers. Click on Show All Brokers so that Tradingview expands the full list instead of just showing the most popular or recently used ones. With the full list open, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the trading panel. Click into that search field and type in WH Selfinvest. As you start typing, Tradingview will filter the results. When you see WH Selfinvest appear in the list, that confirms the broker is available for connection through Tradingview. Now, simply click on WH Selfinvest from the search results. Tradingview will prompt you to connect the broker. At this point, follow the on-screen instructions to log into your WH Selfinvest account. Make sure you have your credentials ready and double-check that you're on the official connection window provided by Tradingview. Once you've successfully logged in and authorized the connection, your WH Selfinvest account will be linked to Tradingview. You should now see it active in the trading panel, and you'll be able to place trades, manage positions, and monitor your account directly from your charts.